What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to this tutorial. This is tutorial number 9, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to verify a URL of a page. So for example, we want to go to, let's say, aljazeera.com and then check if it actually went to Al Jazeera. It didn't go to some random website. So to do that, we'll have to do an if statement and then write a function that is called dot get current URL, and we can put whatever that URL will be or what it contains, ends with, or start with. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the if statement. I'll write if, and then I'll put driver dot get current URL, then put two parentheses, dot. I can use a lot of those. So I can use contains, start with. You can use multiple things that to check it. So what I'm going to use right now, I'll use contains, and then I'll put parentheses with quotation, and I want to check if it contains the word Al Jazeera. And if it does that, I want it to print system dot out dot print line, and then I'll write whatever I want. Launch is successful. Okay, I'll put that. And if it didn't, write else, and I'll put that, and then I'll just copy the same thing, and then launch has failed. Alright, so let's explain what I did. I put an if statement after I go to Al Jazeera. I'm gonna write if statement if this driver has this URL, gets the URL, and then checks it for this content. It contains this. We can use ends with, we can use start with, and I think there's multiple things that we can use as well, but those are the common ones. So I'm going to use contains. And make sure if you actually use ends with, make sure you put these slash, because sometimes it would consider this slash as part of the URL and it would fail it. So if you use the ends with one, just always remember that. Okay, and then that's it actually, and let's run it and see what we're gonna get. Alright, it launches Al Jazeera, and then I'll have to check my console, and let's see what it says. Launch is successful. And let's say if I put ends with, okay, and let's say .com. I'll show you if I just write .com, I'll actually get launch failed, and I'll tell you guys why. Let's check it out. Launch failed. Why is that? Just because of this slash. It's so sensitive, even though the URL right here doesn't have it, but technically that's what it is. So if I try it right now, let me close those because I don't need them. Let me start. And if I check it right now, launch is successful. So that's all I have for today. Just always remember that these functions are pretty sensitive. So make sure you put a slash if you have at the end, if you're gonna check it with ends with. Usually I use the contains one because those are the easiest one to use, but it depends on what case you want to use. You can use either ends with, start with, or contains. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was a useful tutorial. All right. Have a good day.